What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're working on a 450, and by golly, it's coming for a check engine light. This is an 18. It's got 22,000 miles on it, and we're going to let me ditch this sucker. We're going to go against the grain here, and we're going to use a little scan tool device that was sent to me by a company. So in this little cool bag is a dongle for your OBDII port on your vehicle. Now, I haven't opened this up yet. You will need to download that app at the Google Play Store. Let's get this thing opened and see if we can save time and money on our truck repairs. Alright, check it out. Come out pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and open that up. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. I like it. I like it. Think car. So you pick up your Think Car dongle and find a 12-digit number on the OBDII. That's our serial number. It's going to give us some instructions to set it up from your phone. We're going to turn Bluetooth on, and we've already registered, got the email, Bluetooth connection. Yeah, let's get it hooked up. Okay, got it plugged in. It's got a little light on it. Let me go ahead and turn the key on. Gotta have the old IDS just in case. But we're gonna go here and we're going to open the Think Car app. We're going to turn on Bluetooth. Okay. I'm assuming it's going to be this one. We'll see. Okay, I'm back at the home screen. We're going to click on OBDII functions. Go down to next. Bluetooth is on. We're basically just trying to link the two together. Okay, sorry about the beeping. Please pair Think Car with your car. Well, let's redo it. Alright, I finally got it connected. The key is on. We have the temp there, the voltage. You can see we have one fault code present. Let's see what else are we gonna do here. We're gonna go to the home screen here. Let's see what happens when we hit here. I would assume, obviously, once you start using this, you know, your ability to move through this faster would probably be better. Oh, updating. Alright, that's cool. It gave us the VIN as well, and tells us that it's a diesel. So right now, we're going to read the fault code. Alright, cool. I can dig it. I can dig it. That's the codes that we got when I hooked up IDS yesterday, just to verify. Let's go ahead and clear the fault codes. Yes, we want to clear them. DTCs have been cleared. Let's see what this does. No, data stream. RPM. Let's see, let's click on fuel rail pressure. Let's click on baro. Let's look at our EGTs. What else do we got? We can look at intake. Okay, here's our other EGTs. Boost. Alright, let's hit confirm. Alright, let's start her up. Okay, so that's data's pretty fast. You can see it climbing up. I like it, I like it. Let's check out some other things. Let's go back. Let's go back again. What about this? Whoa. What about this? Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the dongle. I gotta get moving on another job here, but definitely if you want to pull codes and you don't have access to IDS, if you don't want to program, want to pull codes and look at data stream for sensors and functionality of maybe going through a pinpoint test, check out ThinkCar. Check them out in the App Store, check them out on Amazon, or give them a call. Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next Friday. Number 1.